Intermittent fasting is a unique approach to nutrition that has gained widespread popularity in recent years. It involves alternating periods of eating with periods of fasting, with the goal of improving overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost brain function, or increase longevity, intermittent fasting has been shown to offer a range of benefits. In this video, we'll explore the science behind intermittent fasting and delve into the ways in which it can positively impact our health. From reducing inflammation and oxidative stress to promoting mental clarity and healthy digestion, intermittent fasting has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about nutrition. Before we get into things, it would be awesome if you could click that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. Make sure to stick around until the end to learn about our favorite benefit of intermittent fasting. Alright, let's get started. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. By restricting eating to a specific time period, individuals tend to consume fewer calories, which leads to weight loss. Now, the goal here is to strive for healthy weight loss. The name of the game is not starvation by any means. During your set eating window, be it 12 or even 18 hours, get as many healthy calories as needed to maintain optimal nutrition. Increase insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can help increase insulin sensitivity, which is important for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing type 2 diabetes. Promote cellular repair. During periods of fasting, the body enters a state of cellular repair, where damaged cells are repaired or replaced. This process helps to prevent the development of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Improves heart health. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve heart health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Increases longevity. Regular phases of intermittent fasting have been linked to increased longevity as it can help reduce, you guessed it, oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which truly are major factors in aging and disease. Promotes mental clarity. Intermittent fasting can promote mental clarity by reducing brain fog and increasing focus and concentration. This is likely due to the fact that fasting helps to physically reduce inflammation and stresses in the brain. Supports healthy digestion. Intermittent fasting can support healthy digestion by giving the digestive system a break and allowing it to rest and repair. This can help reduce the symptoms of digestive disorders such as acid reflux and irritable bowel syndrome and heal the gut from the effects of inflammation. Boosts energy levels. Ketones are energy molecules created by the liver from the breakdown of stored body fat. When we fast, our blood sugar and insulin levels lower. This signals a response from our body to release stored fat so it can be used in place of sugar for energy. While much of this released fat is burned for energy, some of it travels to the liver where it is converted to ketones. Ketones are then released into our bloodstream where they can be taken in and used for energy by nearly every cell, especially brain cells. Boosts brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to boost brain function and improve memory by increasing the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which supports the growth and survival of nerve cells. It's important to note that while the benefits of intermittent fasting are numerous, it's not suitable for everyone. People who are pregnant, breastfeeding, have a history of disordered eating, or have a medical condition such as low blood sugar should consult with a doctor before starting an intermittent fasting program. What are your thoughts on intermittent fasting? Tell us in the comments below, we'd love to hear about it. Feel free to check out our other videos as well. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video, it's much appreciated. See you next time.